Hello everyone, this is one of our new push-open soft close 3-fold ball bearing slide. Better than former type. Let's check it. Free press at any position. No need to touch at designated location. Let me show you. Pull out very smoothly. Pull out very smoothly. Effortless to push. Okay, very light. Okay. Let's do a push-open加soft close test. The loading bearing is 27.5 kilograms. Cabinet is 17.5 kilograms. The weight is 10 kilograms. A closer look. The weight is 10 kilograms. Iron in the bottom of the cabinet. Look at the effect. Take a look. Push-open soft close device. The thickness is 1 mm and 1 mm and 1.2 mm. Former open-close test is close to 60,000 times. Now it's 55,900 times.